Hello, Mr. Ryan, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's quickly talk about the storage, right? In computer, we mentioned about binary. The computer, why is it binary? Because when you plug in the power, it's on, off, on and off, right? It's high voltage, low voltage. So there are two states, 0 and 1, right? Two states. This is called binary, right? You know the 15. What's 15 in binary?
Is it?
What's 15 in binary?
Is it 111?
Yes, 111. Like each bit. This is called bit. Bit only have two states, 0 and 1. True or false? Yes or no? Happy or sad, right? Two states, right? Boolean. We call it Boolean. So 8 of them, we call it what? A byte. This 8 bit is a byte. So a byte, what's the maximum value it can represent? Is from 0 to 255, right? Yeah. This is 255. How do we get it? This equals to 1. How many zeros at the end? 8 zeros minus 1, right? In binary. Alright? If I take 1 from this number in binary, I get this. Alright? So what's this in binary? What's this value? This is binary. What's the value? It's 2 to the power of how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 2 to the power of 8.
256.
256 minus 1, 255. Okay? This is a byte. A byte. Okay, so a byte, we know is 8 bit. A byte equals 8 bits. This is the, usually, bit is the minimum storage unit. A byte, usually we say a byte. Okay? 1024 byte, that equals 1 kilobyte. Okay? Why 1024? 1024 is 2 to the power of 10. Some manufacturer, when they selling the hard drive, they like to use 1000 instead of 1024. But in computer, we use the 1024 because 2 to the power of 10. So this is kilobyte, right? 1 byte. Okay, so by the way, 1 byte is usually, you can think of 1 byte is 1 character, English character, okay? A, B, C, D, 1 character, okay? But it depends on different encoding, but you can think of this way. 1 byte, 1 character. So, hello, how many bytes it takes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bytes. But it depends on encoding, but the minimum is 5 bytes. 1 kilobyte. Okay, so how about 1024 kilobyte equals, what's the next unit? 1 megabyte. Okay? And 1024 megabyte equals 1 gigabyte. 1024 gigabyte equals 1 terabyte. Okay, then this goes on. 1024 terabyte goes to, what's next? What's after terabyte?
Petabyte.
Petabyte. Yeah, 1 PB, right? Petabyte. 1024 PB equals,
Exabyte.
okay, I have no idea, but this goes on, right? This goes on. So,
And then it's zettabyte, and then yottabyte,
Yeah, yeah.
something like that, and then romabyte, and then quetabyte.
yeah, so look, every time we times 1024, right? 1024. So this is the 1 kilobyte is the 1024 bytes. And 1 megabyte is 1024 to the power of 2. And then 1 terabyte is 1024 to the power of 3. And then this goes on, right? This is to the power, okay? So this defines the storage unit, right? And usually a picture is in what scales? Which unit we use the picture?
BB.
No, megabyte maybe. Or kilobyte, yes. Sometimes, 700, 800 kilobyte. Depending on the quality, right? When you take a picture with a good phone, like my single lens camera, that big one, that's megabyte. Usually 10 megabyte per picture. But if you're taking your phone is iPhone 8. You're taking a phone maybe sometimes 2 megabyte. And then, for the old-fashioned phones, then maybe 500, 600, 700 kilobyte, okay? Megabyte. It's basically in these two units. Gigabyte, 1 hour movie, 2 hour movie, high quality, 4K gigabyte, okay? Terabyte, usually hard drive, a big hard drive, okay? that can store the large amount of the photos or videos. Okay, any questions so far today?
What does it use for PetaByte?
The data center. You know how we store the data in the cloud, right? It has a very big data center. Remember you got a t-shirt, the cloud computing, right? There's no cloud, it's just someone else's computers. The cloud center, there's a DAC servers, racks. Okay, so each server has a few servers. Each rack has a few servers, and each server has a few hard disks. So added up together, that could be petabyte and exabyte or whatever. So imagine we are living in the world of the big data, right? Or big data, lots of the data. What have you learned today?
Just bytes.
Okay, which one is bigger? Gigabyte or terabyte? Which one is bigger?
Terabyte.
How many gigabyte is 2 terabytes?
3048.
Okay, well done. Good job today. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.